In this study, we apply deep reinforcement learning for automatic control of a forestry crane manipulator grasping logs. This is done in a simulated environment using the physics engine AGX Dynamics. The crane is mounted on a forwarder and has 6 actuated degrees of freedom. It is underactuated, and the redundant kinematical structure increases the problem complexity. We show that it's possible to learn successful actuator-space control policies using curriculum learning to incrementally increase the difficulty of the task by increasing the distance between the log and the initial position of the grapple. As can be seen here, the log position area changes with the height of an artificial ground plane throughout the curriculum. We also include an energy optimization goal in the learning setup and show that it's possible to significantly reduce the total energy consumption during crane manipulation. As demonstrated, our energy-optimized policies exhibit reduced grapple oscillations and smoother trajectory profiles compared to corresponding policies learned without an incentive for energy optimization.